I know we are going to lose subscribers by these jokes. Focus on it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Logically,
Autistic.
and today
In late night baking with the Gadkaris, we are making.
yes, what are we baking?
That was your cue.
What are
We are baking fudgy chocolate brownies, and the things that you need to bake fudgy chocolate brownies are
me. That's me.
cue the ingredients.
The first thing you'll need is a good hand wash. Say it with me, kids. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. And now that you're all cleaned up, let's move on. You'll need a slab of butter, not the entire thing, but you get the point. You need it. It's essential for baking. And you'll need some cocoa powder because chocolate brownies, you'll need an egg. Well, 3 of them. Next thing is all-purpose flour or maida and some coffee because we were feeling adventurous. Also vanilla extract and some chocolate compound because chocolate brownie, and that's it. And also a bowl for mixing all of it, not the hand wash, just the ingredients. And if you really like the effort that I put into filming this, please subscribe, please do it, please. If you suck at baking just like us, you'll need a cup of coffee, and for that we've got you covered. This is the coffee that we love. If you really want it, you can buy it. I'll link it down below.
And now that you've seen everything that you need to make a chocolate fudgy chocolate brownie,
You can make it with us
just
if you want. Yeah.
pause this video right now, pause it, gather all the ingredients. It's okay if you don't have brown sugar, you can just do with normal sugar. That's what we do
okay,
because we're
yeah.
pros and we know what's
It's
good.
okay if you don't have any brown sugar.
You'd know that joke if you watched our previous video,
Yeah.
and if you didn't, the link is right here.
And if you are new here,
Also,
if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. It's Logically Artistic.
don't
our
forget to like this
videos.
video and also comment down below what you'd like us to do next.
Because we are running out of ideas, literally.
No, we're not. No, we're not. That's a lie. I have tons of video ideas. It's right here.
Yes.
Also, if you think we seem sweaty,
Because
it's not
we are.
sweat. We're glowing because the fan is off, and we love you, and the love is making us glow because we're putting too much effort in recording this
Lot of
audio.
lights on us.
Yes.
Did you see it? Yes.
Thumbnail set एक है. So it's glow, darling. It's not sweat.
Literally sweating.
The brownie is in the oven. It's baked.
And a fan introduced himself again.
Again, if you did not get the joke, that's because you did not watch our previous video, and you should. Anyway, the brownie is in the oven and it's going to take 30 minutes to bake. And while that bake, I thought of a good idea where we will
I'm
try
already.
and make the other person laugh
I'm already
by
laughing.
telling a lame joke. So that's what we're going to do.
I'm going to laugh continuously. But okay, let's see. serious face.
Are you ready? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you guys. Are you ready?
What about serious face? Serious face.
Okay. I am hitting you with the first joke. What's Whitney Houston's favorite type of coordination? Henda. Okay.
I'm still on my serious face.
Someone's trying to be tough. Okay. What's better than Ted Danson?
तू एक तो पहले था हंसते. Serious face.
Okay, sorry. Ted singing and dancing. That was a very funny one.
Next.
Okay. How do you make holy water?
Shh. I know this.
You don't have to answer it. That's
But
a
I-
joke.
yeah, but
that's
I
a
know
joke.
this.
You don't have to answer it. You have
But
to just pretend
I-
like to not laugh at it.
Okay.
How do you make holy water?
I know the answer and she's like, "मैं देख लेती हूँ एक बार."
You boil the hell out of it. The hell out of it.
I know.
Hell out of it.
I
So
know.
it becomes holy.
I know. We are going to lose subscribers by these jokes.
I'll choose the best one for the last.
That was the Hasun.
What do prisoners use to call each other? A cell phone. A cell phone. The cell that they're in. For people who did not get it, you laughed once, so I win.
Win money.
After that fabulous performance by yours truly, now it's his chance. And I'm gonna lose.
Okay.
I know. And I can't even prank anyone because I laugh at the prank itself. So no one believes the prank. It's really hard, guys. My life is really hard. I'm ready. Guys, I'm ready. I'm not gonna laugh. I have a tough face. I'm a tough girl. I'm a tough boy. I'm a tough man. Okay.
Okay. सुरू केलं?
केव्हाच.
Okay. The Secret Service isn't allowed to yell "get down" anymore when the president is about to be attacked. Now they have to yell Donald Duck. Donald Duck! अरे कालती बस.
Okay. I'm not laughing. That's a smirk.
I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll let you know.
That wasn't a laugh. I was laughing at him. I was laughing at the joke. So, by that logic, I still haven't lost.
My friend keeps saying, "Cheer up, man, it could be worse. You could be stuck underground in a hole full of water." I know he means well. Okay, math joke.
I'm not gonna get it. That's the best one. You should have started with this one. I wouldn't have ever laughed. Just go for the math jokes
fastest
because
night-
I'm never gonna laugh at
the
it because I'll never
fastest-
understand it.
You will understand it. The fastest night at King Arthur's round table was circumference. He acquired his size from too much pie.
I have to say it. It wasn't that funny. I think
Okay.
it's a tie.
Now next time, next joke is on my acting
Oh,
skills.
तुझे
so-
अजून बाकी है?
Should last question here.
Okay.
What does a zombie vegetarian eat?
I know this joke.
Grains. Grains.
After that, highly.
Grains.
It's a tie, guys. Comment down below who you think won this segment of us making each other laugh. For some entertainment purpose, I'm gonna tell you some jokes.
Grains.
Why don't they play poker in the jungle?
Let me act it out. Too many cheetahs.
Cheetah?
Cheetahs.
You're a cheetah.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
She's a cheetah. She's a cheetah. Oof. Please comment down below which character does my hairstyle remind you of.
मदत काहीतरी आपलाच.
Anjali. She is a cheetah. She is a cheetah. Sorry. And it's the next morning. Evening, to be precise.
So we waited for the whole night to,
The whole night and the entire day.
and we
This
got
is
this.
what it turns out.
It's fudgy. It's, I don't know what it is.
It's fudgy for sure.
I don't know what it is.
And we still got the crusty bit. I think it's
Well,
an oven thing. It's not bad, it's edible, is what we're trying to say. And if we put a scoop of ice cream in it, it'll work. Just like
everything works with scoop of ice cream, but
so yeah, it's not bad.
it's too sweet.
Yeah, it's too sweet for at least my taste.
So
Okay, the more I eat it, the more I like it.
yeah, it's like that. That's
yeah.
why I'm.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's it for this week's late night
cooking.
baking
Baking
with
logically
artistic.
or Gadkarians. Powerful.
Evo Gadkarians पण एक term है. Only Gadkari class students would know that. I won't. I wasn't. So yeah, thanks for watching it. Please don't forget to like
Share.
and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you in our
Cheers.
next episode.
एंड आहे ना आपला तो. अरे वेलकम टू आवर चॅनल. So, hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Logically.
Artistic. One more. And we're back. Okay. The fudge. No, it wasn't a fudge. After that, very good. Rasika, future editing Rasika, cut this video